Bitcoin money in every practical sense truly has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, which generally all things considered is very huge in a kind of enormous manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $236.17 in an in every practical sense, all things considered, significant way, as opposed to mainstream thinking. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, or so they especially thought, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The pretty exceptionally current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money sort of is at $181,988,497 in an unpretentious manner, really in spite of mainstream thinking. 16 November 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in a real sense, sincerely attempt to answer these regularly by and large, for the most part clarified pressing issues, facts, what entirely all expectations and objects is in every practical sense, truly momentary cost forecast for Bitcoin money. In a real sense for the most part is BCH a fundamentally all things considered wise speculation, which essentially for the most part is very critical, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner, which for the most part is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging especially commonly profound into the BCH specialized examination, in a real sense commonly let us especially for the most part discuss the fundamentally sort of current economic situations in an in every practical sense, sort of enormous way in a by and large huge manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there quite was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,428,308,418,905, or so they in every practical sense thought, showing how Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner, or so they most certainly thought. The very all-out exchanging volume especially sort of stands at $71,489,707,597, which in a real sense in every practical sense is very critical, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of truly has a predominance of 16.33% in an entirely enormous manner, which really is genuinely critical. Which actually fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99%, which truly shows that however prior to plunging kind of profound into the BCH specialized examination, explicitly fundamentally let us basically truly discuss the kind of beautiful current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours, which essentially in a real sense is very huge, or so they sort of thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time span, or so they in a real sense thought, which really is very huge. XRP, the by and large extremely local coin of XRP, fundamentally generally is somewhere near 0.03 and as of now exchanging at 64 cents in a really quite enormous manner, which essentially is very huge. Moreover, Solana came to $63.93 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem in a really beautiful significant way, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions in a real sense show that the market especially is going in an especially genuinely descending bearing for especially genuinely present moment, which generally is very huge. As of now, a by and large in every practical sense, general quite of negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner, exhibiting that BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, or so they especially thought, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every way that really matters fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally generally recognize sort of lovely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically sort of has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours, which essentially for the most part is very critical, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Support quite is a level at which purchasers extremely become commonly certainly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and most certainly essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, most certainly truly in spite of mainstream thinking, showing that yet prior to jumping especially exceptionally profound into the BCH specialized examination. In a real sense explicitly let us especially truly discuss the fundamentally genuinely current economic situations in an all things considered, exceptionally enormous way, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition generally explicitly is a level at which merchants generally in every practical sense move reasonably especially dynamic and explicitly generally prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of genuinely higher in an unpretentious manner, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Following essentially especially are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The ongoing Bitcoin money cost in every practical sense explicitly is $236.17, with an exchanging volume of $181,988,497 in the very fundamentally beyond 24 hours, or so they generally thought, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, BCH for the most part is up by 0.91% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,619,624,131 United States dollars, pretty fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Investigation for 16 November 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span, most certainly made sense of beneath. Pretty lovely further appearance, how which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99%. Which actually fundamentally shows that yet prior to plunging extremely in every practical sense, profound into the BCH specialized examination, sort of explicitly let us actually basically discuss the especially beautiful current economic situations in a truly beautiful significant manner in an unpretentious manner. We utilize certainly kind of relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, kind of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including especially certainly straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving exceptionally beautiful normal, EMA, to really in a real sense examine the future development of the Bitcoin money, showing how right now, a by and large extremely broad very bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Exhibiting that BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, or so they especially fundamentally thought in an essentially huge manner. While BCH's Williams %R marker entirely is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, commonly truly signal for the most part explicitly is reasonably genuinely conceivable at this reach. Sort of commonly in opposition to prevalent thinking, exhibiting how Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner in a kind of huge manner. The entirely